Okay. Good news, we have power. I checked it out, made sure everything's running good. So we are open technically, but it's making ice right now. So if you see that this red light on, it's still making ice. So, and then when you swipe your card, once you swipe your card, you need to wait for this little orange light right here. And then once that orange light comes on, you can get your bag right here. There's bags in there. And then you either press the step 3, the ice, or you press the other step 3 for water. And make sure you have your 5-gallon jug down there. And then this is the outlet right there. So, good news, we have power. Just the ice is going to be, it takes time to make it and then it'll drop. So just have patience with us, but you can get the 5 gallons of great clean water for $2 for 5 gallons. And of course our ice is always $2 for 10 pounds. Bye.